Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. Today I'm at the junkyard, and today's junkyard is Kenny U-Pull. So in front of me today is a 2008 Ford F350. This one is a single rear wheel, not a dually. I do prefer dualies personally. But this one is a 2008. And I'm guessing it's here because it is a 6.4 liter. It did have some good tires put on it though, but makes sense because it's Benson tire. V8 Powerstroke, of course. Honestly, I would never buy one that wasn't a Powerstroke. Even a 6.4 probably, because while I hate them, I don't like heavy duty gas even more. Has a service box on it, so this must have been their mobile, that's the word for mobile tire changing truck. Had an air tank in the back, lights. Yeah, I'm thinking this was their mobile tire changing truck. It's honestly not in bad shape overall for the cab, at least. The service bed is in, well, the service bed's aluminum. It's totally restorable. Just clean it up and repaint it, or just clean it up and clear coat it. It would look good either way, I think. This one tried to break into it looks like here, but that door doesn't open anymore because of it. If you look at this, the cab corners are solid, the doors are solid. Unfortunately, this door is busted. Hey, a Dodge door. For this Dodge right here. Goodyear on the side. Of course, the tire place would have Goodyear on it, but I personally am not a fan of Goodyear myself. But yeah. Here's your big intercooler with your, I think that's power steering cooler. I think that's the AC cooler, and this is the coolant rad. They just cut the batteries off. There was 2 batteries in it, but yeah, like I said, my guess is that this came here because of the 6.4 engine. Definitely not because of that. That didn't do any damage really, just superficial. Looks like it was oil sprayed though. And this cab corner, that got hit at some point. And it pinched that door shut. There's no service sticker on it, so I don't know the mileage. But the interior is rather dirty. Kind of gross actually, if you ask me. But I'm not sure. Are these the stock seats? Because that center armrest, that looks more like a 99 model center armrest than a newer one. Maybe they carried over all the way into this year, but I don't know. Ah, and this had the regular one. There was an era of these Ford trucks that had a signal stock that would do this, and your signal would be on, or this and it would be on. This one actually stays in position. Much prefer that one personally. Yep, she's dirty, all right. She's a real dirty truck, all right. One lug nut holding each wheel on, of course, still. They tend to do that just to make it so the wheels stay with the vehicle, but you can easily get it off. Clear headlights, though. So needs 6.4 headlights. And this one was 2-wheel drive. I kind of wouldn't expect them to get a 4-wheel drive, though, because it is a work truck. And work trucks typically were 2-wheel drive. And it had towing mirrors for sure on it, having this box. But yeah, I guess that is all for a... Wow, sun is like ruining a shot. That's all for this 2008 Ford F350 single rear wheel truck, Powerstroke, with a service bed. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, as well as subscribe for more. Have a great day, everyone.